NCDEX is India's leading agriculture commodity exchange, and in this video we'll be talking about this company in detail, its company overview, financials, achievements and more. NCDEX was incorporated on April 23, 2003 as a public limited company and commenced operations on December 15, 2003 as a recognized association under the Forward Contracts Regulation Act 1952. By offering a cutting-edge marketplace, NCDEX bridges the gap between traditional farming practices and modern market dynamics. It provides 20 agricultural commodities, 1 non-agricultural commodity, 6 options in agricultural commodities, 250 members, 67,80,735 client base, 3,248 terminals, 114 WDRA approved warehouses, 76 pledgee banks, 40 FPOs traded, 3.33 lakh metric ton storage capacity and 60 FPO registered. The exchange has 4 subsidiary companies. First, NCDEX E-Markets Limited. Second, National Commodity Clearing Limited. Third, NCDEX Institute of Commodity Markets and Research. And fourth, National E-Repository Limited. And now, coming to its financials, March 2024 revenue was Rs 136 crore versus Rs 135.6 crore in the previous year, which is a growth of 0.3%. PAT was Rs minus 28 crore in March 2024 versus Rs minus 42 crore in the previous year, which is a loss of 33.3%. EPS was Rs minus 5.1 in March 2024 versus Rs minus 8.0 in the previous year. With outstanding shares of 5.07 crore, their market cap at the current share price stands at 1027 crore with a PE multiplier of minus 39.4. And recently, the exchange signed a MOU with the Colombo Stock Exchange for setting up a comprehensive framework for commodities and derivatives trading. The agreement will enable knowledge transfer between the two exchanges, where they'll share expertise in product designing and development, trading systems and regulatory framework. And now, talking about its shareholders, these are the top shareholders owning the majority of the shareholding rights. Now, if you want to learn more about NCDEX unlisted shares or any other similar companies, head over to stockify.net.in or drop a comment below.